Here is how to use a Visa gift card on PS5. So there are certain payment methods which are accepted on PS5, which is Apple Pay, American Express, Visa Card, MasterCard, and PayPal. So Visa Card is also one of them. So if you want to set up a payment method on your PS5 or you want to use your Visa gift card on your PS5, you need to go to Settings and from your PS5 home screen, select the gear icon at the top right and then go to Users and Accounts and then go to Account and go to Payments and Subscriptions. Then select Payment Methods. Add or edit the payment methods. Then go to credit or debit card and enter the details. You can either scan the QR code with your phone or select Use Controller instead, and then enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code, which is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. Enter your name, your billing address, and this is very important for the card to be approved. Select and save the card. And now you can use a Visa gift card to make purchases in PlayStation Store, just like regular credit or debit card. You can add it as a payment method in the settings or during the checkout as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.